Hi, I'm Drew, and that's Bethany.
Today we're looking at this vast area from a new set of eyes, a viewpoint that has seen decades worth of travelers, memories, and changes.
Come with us as we explore the Desert View Tower, right here on Oddity Odysseys. Yeah, so Coyote's UFO repair is supposed to be up here.
On the same road as Desert View Tower.
So hopefully we can get a glimpse of that. I don't know if there's much to see or not.
I see a UFO. Oh, it's two little UFOs.
Oh, how cute.
That's cute.
Let's continue to the tower, shall we?
Yeah. At the far western edge of Imperial County, we'll get off Interstate 8 at Incopah Park Road and take that a little over a mile north until it dead ends at the Desert View Tower.
Hey, all right. This is our first look.
Everybody.
It might be the first. It's still pretty early.
That's true.
Keaton is using the litter box.
Oh, hi, Keaton.
And we will end the scene there.
So we're passing through Hukumba and could not pass up seeing the Desert View Tower.
Yeah, this tower's been a stopping point for many a traveler over the years.
Yes, and it's been around since the 1920s, so it's a staple landmark here in the eastern end of San Diego.
Yeah.
Hi, how are ya?
Cool.
Built in 1922 by developer and owner of Hukumba, Bert Vaughn, the tower was constructed as a roadside attraction for pioneers and railroad workers who trekked between Yuma, Arizona and San Diego. We got our 2 tickets and a little information pamphlet here. And Boulder Park is right outside, so we're gonna definitely stop by there before we leave. But for now, we're taking a look around this really awesome collection of gifts and artifacts and souvenirs.
Yeah.
So there's a lot more to see here than just the view from above. It's been through a few owners during its time, so I believe this lower level is the newest addition, but there are a lot of the original structures here, including the outside that we saw. Little furry friend. Hello. Hello, honey. Oh, they're so happy.
So now we're entering into the original part of the tower. All of that out there was built later. But yeah, here we are. Oh, and here's the steps.
That's a starting point to get to the view. I heard this place just has a bunch of levels to get to the top of the tower. At each level, you're gonna see a little bit of a different period of time. So you get a lot of the history of the tower with each level you go up.
Get ready for stairs.
So what I'm really enjoying about this place is like a garage sale in a Desert View Tower.
Yeah, look at all the tags.
And I love garage sales. Look at this. You can buy a candle, a baby cakes mini maker, some gloves. They have
a mirror. You needed a mirror.
A mirror. They have new items and they have reused items for sale here. Where else do you find anything like this?
Garage sales, maybe.
So each level you go up, you can buy a slow cooker plus skillet. And some ancient artifacts. So we just went up 1 flight of stairs, but I think there are 3 or 4 to get to the very top. You can already start to see some of the awesome views from out there.
Wow, yeah. Heading up to the 3rd floor now. Almost hit my head on this overhang. So since its construction in the 1920s, the tower's actually had a number of owners since Vaughn. Dennis Newman was one. In the 1950s, he built the lower level that surrounds the tower, and that's a gift shop now.
Oh, that explains why it looks so new in comparison to these other levels that we're on.
Definitely. But here we are at the 3rd floor. Ooh, look.
Ooh.
Here's a model of the tower.
A mini Desert View Tower.
So yeah, Newman built this section down here. And I think we're somewhere in here now. All right, should we head up to 4?
Yep.
Watch your head once again.
Ooh, that's scary. I think we're almost there.
It's the 4th floor?
Oh, this must be the library floor. Yeah, so it's either this one or the next one, because the library is where you get close.
I mean, it looks like a library to me.
It has some really cool books in here.
It's a little disheveled, but definitely some books.
This old desk, wonder if there are any secret compartments.
Well, I'm sure there are.
Oh, I'm sure they've been through it already. That's a really cool painting.
Yeah.
I also love how this floor and the floor before it had this really old-looking door. Those are really cool. Well, that wind is something fierce today.
I'm glad we're inside.
I'm scared. We're about to go outside-ish. Who is it? This is our friend. Look at this guy.
Oh yeah, made of, looks like car parts. Is this a shoehorn? This is a shoehorn as the tongue. Brilliant. Oh, we're going up.
We are getting higher and higher. It's safe in here from the wind. Oh wait, is this it? I think this is it. I think this is the...
Is this the roof?
The view floor.
All right, let's do it.
Wow.
There goes the hair, everybody.
There goes the hair. Look at all this.
What can we see besides everything?
Over there is Boulder Park, which we're gonna go check out. But yeah, you can see miles and miles around in each direction. And some wind.
All right, duck.
Are we safe from the wind?
That's a little better.
Is this moving?
Oh, I hope not.
You can get to the very, very top, which of course we're gonna go check out. There's a viewfinder.
For distant viewing.
The lovely gentleman downstairs gave me a quarter.
Oh, great.
To try it out.
Stick it in there.
Okay.
Don't let the quarter blow away.
Wait, does this go in there?
Yeah, lie it down. Let it go flat. Like
oh.
Now push it in. There you go. Pull it back out. Or maybe not. Okay, see what happens.
Hold on, my hair is in the way. Not working.
Okay, let me try. There we go.
Oh.
Oh. Ooh.
Do you see the lost ship of the desert?
Actually, I think I see the post right in front of me.
Oh.
Let me look in a different direction.
Move it a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Is it?
My
turn.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, whoa. Do you see a restaurant we can eat at? Yeah, this is pretty cool.
Oh, of course. Of course, you gotta go first, don't you? I'm not sure you can walk out on there.
This is sturdy though.
Because that's the roof. Is that as high as you can go?
There it is. The view from the actual top. Are you coming?
Oh, of course. Here we are at the roof of the Desert View Tower. It is epic. Well, we've heard a stop at Desert View Tower is not complete without a visit to Boulder Park, which is right over here.
And Drew sure loves to boulder.
That's right. Enter at your own risk. Sounds risky.
Ooh, I like it.
So Boulder Park was designed by W.T. Radcliffe in the 1930s, and he was an unemployed engineer.
I'm sure he had some good ideas for the place then.
Yeah, let's see what he came up with. There's animals.
There's a turtle.
Yeah, it's carved right out of the stone that's here. That's clever. There's more up here. Yeah, well, this was totally worth the stop. These are neat. This looks like a buffalo. Some kind of iguana.
It's like a stone statue amusement park.
They're all carved out of the existing stone. I don't think any of this was brought in. This was just art by subtraction, if you will.
Must be the work of an engineer.
Yeah, must be. Oh boy, this is narrow.
Enter at your own risk, it said.
Don't hit your head.
I made it. Oh no. Woo. Yeah, this is the part where you just get to climb around, enjoy yourself.
It's better than steps.
I heard that Radcliffe carved all of this for $1 a day and a jug of wine.
And a jug of wine.
Per day, too.
He probably did it mostly for the wine.
But look at this. I mean, this just adds...
That took me by surprise, that
This adds so much more to the area.
Aw, buddies.
Did we come in from that way?
No.
I'm getting lost already.
You're already lost? We just got here.
In Boulder Park.
Yeah, head down that way. Oh. Oh, geez. Steep.
Are you hurting yourself?
Where'd she go? There she is.
I was looking for more carvings of... Oh, there's some more up here, too.
Oh, head on up.
Whoa.
I want to get to that skull face, but I'm not quite confident that I can.
It's one big maze.
That it is. Here we go.
Here we go.
Tight fit. How about this?
Wow.
That's a big one. I feel like with this one he used a little bit more of the natural formation of the rock. Mm-hmm. So it's not a perfect skull, you know? It's kind of, I mean, obviously he carved the teeth out, but as far as the shape of the face, it looks very natural. Can I go in here?
I'm sure you can. It's Boulder Park.
Oh my gosh, this is cool.
place looks way more intricate than I thought it would be. Oh, look, a place to sit and relax.
Hey, all right.
From all that bouldering.
You better do that.
I think we're coming in like more toward the back end.
Hopefully.
I hear when you're out there more, you might be able to see a better view of the Desert View Tower.
Oh, definitely.
We've been looking from inside Desert View Tower all day, but we haven't had a chance to really take a gander at it from outside.
What a champ. I'm staying here forever. Oy, glad to be out of that cave. So this is the best view in the house, I'm told. Pretty spectacular. And the surrounding area. It's like you get both. Very cool.
Bye.
Bye forever. Even at 70 feet in height, this stone tower has withstood a century of harsh desert conditions and remains a guardian over the lands of Hakumba. Whew, it is a windy one today. Hey, if you're interested in checking out this spectacular view for yourselves, the Desert View Tower is open 9 to 5 daily.
We love to discover new oddities in California, so if you have any suggestions on places we haven't yet visited, leave them in the comments.
Hey, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when we release new adventures.
All right, see you soon. We have to get down now.
Back down the steps.
Yeah, all right.
There we go. What's this, level 3?
I think so.
Oh my god. I have to walk up one more flight of steps today.
Well,
are we there?
We did a number yesterday on ourselves, so.
Ah, more steps.
Here we go, we're almost
Is
there.
this the 3rd floor or the 4th floor?
Here we go, this is the top. Oh, I keep almost going back.
Jeez. Oh, we made it.